Hey guys, welcome back to the Miniature Life. I've decided to take a little break from all the sweet food and show you guys a really simple accompaniment to your savory meals. Today we are making a delicious mint and coriander chutney. This is the easiest recipe to make when you have tons of mint lying around at home that you really need to use up. In India, it's quite common to make mint-based, coriander-based or date tamarind-based chutneys to accompany various things. You'll see in street foods that chutneys are used quite a lot as a topping to the food. For this recipe, we're going to need half a cup of fresh mint leaves, a quarter cup of fresh coriander leaves, an eighth cup of fresh coriander stalk, one large garlic clove, a ½ inch stub of ginger, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of peanuts, lightly salted, 1½ tablespoons of fresh Greek yogurt, and a splash of water if required. Now let's make our chutney. This recipe is so easy, you will never go back to packaged chutneys again. In a food processor or a NutriBullet like I am using today, add in all of your ingredients barring the water. Blitz everything together without the water to create a thick paste. I only needed a small splash of water today, but sometimes I require a little bit more. It really depends on the water content of your coriander and mint. Remember to add the water little by little to control the thickness of your chutney. If you wish for a thinner chutney to serve alongside street food or on top of yogurt, go ahead and add a little bit more water. Blitzing the chutney should take no longer than 30 seconds to a minute and a half. And this is what your chutney should look like. It's beautiful and green and luscious to look at. I've served mine today with some fresh aloo tikkis, but you could serve this with samosas, curry puffs, or even alongside some bread. To make things a little bit more aesthetic, go ahead and add in a pinch of chili powder on top and a dash of olive oil. And that's it. That is how easy it is to make a simple mint and coriander chutney with a hint of peanut for nutty flavor. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. It was a really short one, but nonetheless a really awesome one. As always, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. If there's a recipe you want to see, please let me know in the comment section below. See you guys next time.